Why does your scanner show the P1122 engine code? What does it mean? P1122 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle position sensor circuit intermittent low voltage. P1122 engine code indicates that the PCM detects an abnormally low signal voltage from the electronically controlled throttle actuator. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Rough idling, reduced engine power, engine speed that fluctuates up and down. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Nissan, Kia, Jaguar, Lincoln, Mercury, Volvo, Volkswagen, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.